Rashmi Jain, Hotmont Mrs. India Worldwide 2019, winner of Mrs. Social Butterfly, a social activist, motivational speaker, and a homemaker too. I am grateful to be invited as the faculty celebrity guest for the global group of Cardiomersion, and my heartily thanks to Dr. Puri and all the faculty members for believing in my strengths. So today I want to talk about how I lived a healthy lifestyle in this lockdown. So my focus is on 5 points: body, mind, face, diet, and me time. These all together makes you strong, stronger, and strongest. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. Do what you can't do. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But keep on moving. My first step was the thrilling and the wonderful experience of riding a motorbike, being fearless, bold, and breaking the stereotypes. And my first attempt was riding a motorbike on the highway, and I felt so confident. I discovered my hidden potentials, creating a lifestyle and a hope for all the women who are sitting in their homes, and bringing them to come out of the social discriminations and start building and creating your own lifestyle. Whatever you want to do, just go and do for it. If you are depressed, ask yourself, do you really want to be in depression? No, na? So you have to take the first step to come out of it. You have to start thinking of the opportunities of your talents that will help you to come out of that stress, of that depression. Because having an aim is very important to build a good lifestyle. So it all depends upon you, how you want to create your life. So no regrets, no thinking, just go and do for it and have faith in yourself.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है।
In our home premises, and we are going through a lot of mental pressure, worrying about the businesses, expenses, studies, household activities. So all these burdens and stress goes direct into your mind. So the first tip I want to talk about is how to keep your mind healthy. Mind also needs good food to eat. So we have to provide the food with good thoughts, in the sense of positive thoughts. Now the question is how to settle our minds to think positive. So the very first thing which I did was I had a lot of sleep. Because in our running lifestyle, we don't get time to sleep. In this lockdown, you had a good chance to sleep a lot. And sleeping is like a mental cleanser. And the second thing is start talking positive. Stop saying Corona is not going to end. Start speaking India is going to become the strongest nation in the world. And even in my YouTube channel, I have shared the link, a positive approach in this negative situation. You can go through it and you can have a detailed overview over it regarding positive approach. So the third thing I would say, stop watching news which had a negative impact on you. Now our mind reacts differently. Some people don't get affected by the news, but there are few people who had a negative impact on their mind. And I would say stop sharing messages regarding COVID 19, which is fake, and you don't know the true facts, whether it is real or whether it is fake. So stop sharing it, because maybe it not affects you, but maybe it affects the reader's mind. And readers, stop viewing such messages if it had a negative impact on you. So this was the reason how to settle your mind. The next quick tip I want to give is, if a stress arises in your mind, how to get a quick relief from it. So meditation is one method which everyone would prefer a lot. Other one, I would say, start watching comedy serials, laughter channels, cartoons, which works as a stress reliever. You know, it changes your mood at once and you feel stress relief. It really works. It 100% works. Just go for it and try for it. The next one I did in my lockdown for my mind, keeping my mind healthy, was I start watching movies which is very informative. Not romantic movies where it's all about sentiments, emotional, and your expectation arises so high. So I have stopped watching that movies. I watched movies which I gain knowledge, which makes my mind think more positive, more approachable, and to feel relaxed. So the second point is your face, which is the most essential feature which everyone wants to enhance and brighten up. So for the face, this lockdown is the most important time when you should look after your face. You should use facial mask, homemade besan, malai, and you should use milk. You are doing everything. I think everyone is doing everything. And even I have shared on my YouTube channel how to make homemade moisturizer, which is made from vitamin E, which is really grateful for your face and your skin. Now the most important thing I think is your eyes, which helps you to communicate with others. So how to protect your eyes, as we are using a lot of social media, TV, laptop, mobiles, and even the children whose online classes are going on laptops, they also need some exercises for eyes. So I am sharing some power yoga exercises which are really helpful in fighting against anti-aging, reduces wrinkles, develop good eyesight and functioning of eyes. You can also implement on your children also, because your eyes needs to rest, and it's really wonderful. It works miracles. So just practice 5 minutes in a day on a regular basis. And you can see I am also shooting this video, and every video of mine would be without makeup. In this lockdown, I thought, why not to let my skin breathe? So I'm not applying any makeup. I'm giving time to my skin to radiate itself, because I want my beauty to be as young in future also. So that's the best part. Just go and practice these exercises and you would notice that miracle in your life. coming to the next one, that is your body. So your body also needs to remain fit and healthy by physical workouts. Now the gyms are closed, so what to do? I don't have dumbbells also at home, so I preferred to work out with 1 liter of water bottles. Yeah, I really did it. And I did mat exercises, I did online aerobic classes, and I really prefer everyone to join classes, and it would help you to maintain you physically fit. So there are also a lot of household works these days, like washing utensils, clothes, and many more activities. I would also say you can go for playing cricket, badminton, skipping, and I'm doing with my daughter is like I prefer mostly dancing. So these all exercises, physical activities will help you to maintain your body perfect, fit and healthy. So coming to the fourth point, that is your diet. Now these days I think everyone is cooking a lot of things, and there are so many master chefs on Facebook, Insta, and it seems like we are going for the auditions of master chef. Even I have cooked a lot in this lockdown, and we are preferring less of junk food. We are preferring to eat a lot of healthy diet, but eating right thing on right time is very important. Right time is 4 to 6 when you should eat maximum of diet, and that time we usually skip our diets and we don't eat, and eating so late is really harmful for our health. So try to eat in 4 to 6 timings a lot of things. And secondly, I would say you could also go for a kitchen garden. I have a garden, so I have grown tomatoes, radish, and these are vegetables which are really helpful in this lockdown, as these are medicine free, pesticides free. So I would prefer, if you have space in your home, so you should grow some vegetables and use that. That would be really better for your health also, and it would also improve one activity like your hobby regarding gardening, love for plants. That also will help you a lot. So these also little things add a lot of spark in your life. Lastly, but not the least, that is me time. That's my favorite time, because in that time I am with myself. No one is allowed to disturb me in that time. Even my kids are strictly objected to call me. That time I used to sit in my garden and watch trees, or I'm a nature lover, so I love to see trees, and it maybe seems you awkward, but it really gives me good thoughts. When I sit alone, new ideas, even you also try. Start doing something whatever you like painting, sketching, or whatever you like. Just go for it. 1 hour you should spend on yourself, and just pen it down your thoughts, and you will realize you are so happy when you spend some time for yourself. And you should have some goal in your life to fulfill that. So without a goal, life is like aimless. So create your dreams, have goals in your life that would help you to increase your lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, and you would really feel better to do it. Be silly, be funny, do whatever you want to do. Don't listen to the society. Just that's a message from my side. Hats off to all the global group of Cardiomersion who have created and started this initiative to make the views come towards the people about how to live a healthy lifestyle and introducing us towards all the world about our viewpoints and making it really worthful. So just go for it, stay safe, and I really best of luck to all the team. Stay safe and be happy. Have a great day. Bye bye. Bye bye.